of both Smart and V-Mobile for making this so successful. V-Mobile again displayed today its tenacity on sales and distribution by adding additional avenue for all walks of life in this industry. We in Smart, we truly believe in this V-Mobile's direction. On behalf of Smart, we would like to do the necessary turning over of this customized Empower SIM to my tukayo, no other than Ferdinand Benko. Live more!
Alright, so to receive again the Empower SIM, so again we would like to hear a message from Sir Ferdinand Alan Benko, sir.
In behalf of V-Mobile Technologies, we are very glad to accept this new empowerment tool from Smart Communications. And para sa mga leaders namin, ito na ang bagong natin tool na magagamit sa mga ating negosyo. Sa isa na ako yung pinahambon. Again, let's continue empowering people's lives with this V-Mobile Empower SIM. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. At this point in time,
Live more!
oh, Smart, live more! Sabay-sabay na tayo. Smart, live more! Very good. At this point in time, I would like to call on our Millionaires Club members. Alright? So, our B12 respectively, and other millionaires down there. Okay? So, of course, isa-isayin na natin si Hayes! Akit ka dito! Aaron! Anton! Sige po, lahat po ng ating Millionaires Club members. Alright, Anton, Aaron, Peter, Patrick, Tito Boy, Tito Sir John. Alright. So again, the V-Mobile executives would now turn over the Empower SIM to our leaders. Okay? So again, so please, that guy is Eric, Mitch. Alright, so again, at this point in time of the meeting, the Empower SIM will be turned over by the V-Mobile executives to our leaders. Okay? So, will it be Anton? Anton, please do the honor. Okay, so right now, the V-Mobile Empower SIM is being turned over now to our leaders. Okay, so with the help of Sam Pinto, alright, yung aking kapatid. Alright? Ayan, pinsan muna. I-turn over na po niya yan, alright?